babes, welcome to the Stay Golden Cosmetics YouTube page. My name is Chantal, I'm your head babe in charge, and today we're going to be working on a glitter lip kit tutorial with our glitter lip kit Vamp. What do? You get one lip liner, beautiful Cosmo glitter, one double-sided applicator, we have a brush, and we have a sponge. Then we also have our amazing gloss bond. Let's get into this tutorial. Your first step is always to moisturize your lips. After you've wiped your so thirsty gloss off, this is the best part of the tutorial because guess what? You can do it two ways. We're gonna start first, liquid lipstick. The trick, of course, is always to wait until your liquid lipstick is fully dry, and then we can go on with our gloss bond. I usually apply it in halves, so I'm gonna start from the outer corner of my mouth, working inwards. This is what our Vamp Cosmo glitter looks like. As you can see, it's a dark burgundy red. Our kits come with lip liners that perfectly match your Cosmo glitters, so you don't have to worry about hassle. And that's how you apply your glitter lip kit with a liquid lipstick or with a lip liner. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, babes. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in our next video. Bye, babes.